In this video explores the AI automation opportunity in 2026, focusing on legitimate service businesses that solve real problems through automated workflows. Our goal is to achieve $3,000 per month in sustainable freelance income. Here is a $1,500 reality check. A local real estate agent spent 45 minutes every morning manually copying leads. We built a custom automation in 4 hours, and now she gets a clean lead report by 8 a.m. with zero effort. An AI automation workflow solves repetitive daily tasks. In this example, new leads trigger the process in Gmail. AI reads the email, extracts data, instantly logs it to Google Sheets, and sends a Slack alert to the agent with a summary. The 2026 market landscape shows massive demand outweighing supply for automation engineers. With over 33 million U.S. small businesses and less than 15% AI adoption, the opportunity is huge. Project pricing ranges from $500 to $2,000 for simple automations. To reach $3,000 per month, a conservative model includes securing 5 to 6 clients on monthly retainers, providing steady recurring revenue. The required skills include N8N workflow building and understanding basic business workflows. Target the right niches that value time as money. Top recommendations are real estate agents and marketing agencies. They are tech-literate, move fast, and have highly measurable problems, with average deal sizes up to $5,000. Service 1 is Data Entry Autopilot. It automatically captures web form submissions, cleans and formats data, saves it securely, and triggers a confirmation email. This workflow has a project value of $500 to $1,200 and takes 1 to 2 days to build. Service 2 is AI Inbox Management. It scans incoming emails, classifies them by urgency, and drafts context-aware, AI-generated responses. The business owner can review and approve drafts with one click. This project is valued between $800 and $2,000. Project 1, the Restaurant Review Monitor, protects reputation by monitoring Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor reviews. For an $800 build fee and $150 monthly retainer, it drafts responses, saving the manager hours of writing. Project 2, the Ecom Returns Processor, automates the manual bottleneck of processing returns for an online clothing store. The project includes an $1,800 build fee and a $250 monthly retainer, routing customer tickets instantly to the right templates. Project 3, the Real Estate Lead Qualifier, provides immediate ROI. It scores leads and automatically texts hot leads to the agent's phone within seconds. This has a $2,500 build fee and a $350 monthly retainer. The entire tech stack costs about $15 per month. It includes an 8N, Anthropic API for affordable pay-as-you-go AI, free tiers for Notion or Airtable, a low-cost domain name, and Stripe for receiving payments. For a minimum viable portfolio, focus on a clean, single-page site with a clear list of your services. Include 2 to 3 case studies, even fictional demos, and a functional contact form. Do not spend weeks building a complicated website. To land your first client, pick one niche like real estate and build one working demo tailored specifically for them. Send an email with a link to your demo to show, not tell, the value of your automation. The result of these 3 projects is $5,100 in build fees and $750 in pure ongoing monthly income. This scalable freelance business solves actual business bottlenecks. Your next step is to pick a niche, build your first demo, and send that initial email.